In today's video, I am going to teach you how to combine multiple layouts into one PDF in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll have a clean single PDF that contains all your layouts in the right order. Using AutoCAD's built-in Publish workflow. Start by opening the AutoCAD drawing that already contains the layouts you want to include. Layouts are the paper space tabs, each typically set up with a title block, scale, and viewports. Make sure each layout looks the way you want it to print. If model space appears in the list later, don't worry, we'll remove it so only your layout sheets go to the final PDF. Next, open the Publish dialog. In the command line, type Publish in all caps and press Enter. This brings up the central place where you control which sheets get printed and how your PDF is created. You'll see a list of sheets, usually starting with your layout tabs and sometimes including model. Take a moment to organize the layouts. In the Publish dialog, select any sheets you don't want such as model space, and click the Remove Sheet button. The small minus sign. You can select multiple sheets at once if needed. Confirm the remaining list contains only the layouts you plan to combine. If the order matters, drag layouts up or down to arrange them so the PDF reads the way you intend. Now configure the PDF output. Set the Publish to field to PDF so AutoCAD exports directly to a PDF file. Choose a suitable preset, such as AutoCAD PDF General Documentation. Presets manage quality, line weights, and color handling. For general drawing sets, that preset is a solid starting point. If your office uses a standard preset, pick that one for consistency across projects. Click Publish Options and make sure the multi-sheet file option is checked. This is crucial. It tells AutoCAD to compile everything into a single PDF instead of generating separate files for each layout. While you are here, you can glance at other options, but leave them as is unless you have a specific requirement. You are ready to publish. Click the Publish button, choose where you want to save the file, give it a clear name, and click Save. AutoCAD will process each layout and create one combined PDF. When it's done, open the file to confirm page order, title blocks, and line work look correct. If something's off, return to the Publish dialog, adjust the list or preset, and publish again. That's it. Thanks for watching.